they have ice cream. Hi, getting you. I'm live streaming on YouTube. I'm from Toronto, so I'm...
Oh, you're from Toronto?
Yeah, so this is my first time out here. So I might be trying you guys. I'm just scoping it out because music for inside or might be outside. Is it okay to eat outside?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Is it just you by yourself?
Just myself and a few people watch. But I'll be careful not to get people. It's just me and the food. So I'm just gonna end this one because I just came off of the lift.
Matter? Oh,
No, I'm just explaining myself. Okay, so I'll be just for myself and outside, but let me end this one. I'm gonna start a new one.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Okay. The food has come out. This is their fish and chips. This is the halibut. With the fries, I asked for crispy. Make the fries extra crispy. You got coleslaw, or you have a choice, coleslaw or beans or something like that. I chose coleslaw. All right, so that's how it looks. I am streaming still on my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz O.C. So check out my other channel, the main channel. I do a lot more there. This is the food review for my food channel. All right, so we are again at Jack's Fish and Family Restaurant, and here's the coconut shrimp. I'm looking for the coconut shrimp at restaurant. They were so popular back a while back now. Okay, so I'm gonna dig in and okay, let's try this. Let's try the shrimp, coconut shrimp first. It is the appetizer. I asked for everything to come out at once, so. And I like the sweet chili sauce that comes with it. So. It's good. French fries, gravy. We're gonna test it out. I know my gravy. Fries feel good. Fries are good. Very glossy, not beefy tasting, not mushroom or beefy tasting, but it's okay. Tartar sauce. You know what? It's such a small piece. $21 for this. So, picking it up and eating it. Two-piece fish and chips. The halibut was $33. The first one, I got excited because it was 17 something. It was not halibut. How are you doing? Everything's okay? Very good. Can I get more napkins, please?
Absolutely.
It's good, even though it's a small piece, it's good. Not greasy. I mean, not overly greasy. So, I'm enjoying my fish and chips. It's pretty, oh, you can't see it with all this tartar sauce, but it's a pretty good sized fish. Even though it's small, it is halibut. So halibut is pricier, right? Look at all that flakiness here. So my first time here in Peterborough. First time trying Jack's Fish and Family Restaurant. And they actually have ice cream, a local Peterborough ice cream. We're gonna have room for that. So I'm gonna come back on and I'll show you the ice cream. So, and then their coconut shrimp, very good. I would come back here. So if you're visiting or you live in Peterborough and you haven't tried Jack's, come on and try it. Give Jack's a try. It's good. They have a full menu. They have burgers. They have other things on the menu. So not just fish, not just coconut shrimp, but these are my fave. Anytime I find a restaurant that serves this, I always, very good. So good. Forgot my signature slogan. Take your bite. Yum. Okay. Came back on because I forgot to try the coleslaw. Let's try the coleslaw. It looks good. The appearance looks good. Crunch is good. The crunch is there. I think there's enough dressing. It's not bad. I'm gonna use more dressing, but it's good. Good coleslaw. The gravy can't make it like it's not salty. That's good. But not, it's not a strong gravy taste, if that makes any sense. Yeah. So maybe it's watered down. I don't know. Where I paid, I'm outside. I'm having Central Smith made in Peterborough ice cream, and it's available here at Jack's Fish and Family Restaurant. We're on George Street, I believe. Market Plaza. It's mounting already. It's good. But my hair is getting into it. Bloopers. Oh gosh. Very good.